Azlan. Today I'm going to tell you about yummy fruits. Let's start. See, this is an apple. Apple is a red color. Some apples are yellow and some are green. But this one is red. Let me taste it. This one is sweet. Now I'm going to taste strawberry. Yummy. Sweet and salty and tangy. But I like it so much. A little bit red in it, but they are the yellow orange. Yum! This one is my favorite. I like this fruit, and it's orange, and the other orange. It's orange. I mean orange color. I sliced the orange to eat it. I try to do it with knife. See, it's a banana and a white from inside. It's white from inside. Let me taste it. Yummy. It's so sweet and musty. Now I'm going to cut it and make it a proper fruit salad. I will ask a grown-up cut it to make a fruit salad. See, we cut the fruit, we mix it to make a salad. Now it's time to taste. I take a very big bite. Let me try this one. If you don't like any fruit, you can eat it in salad. It's very healthy. We should not eat candy, they're not healthy. We should eat salad. Like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.